Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share 9 Caucasian Handsome Men's headshot pictures for your Character Creator 4 headshot plugins, and you can use it in your Character Creator 3 headshot plugin as well. And first, what you're going to do is just scroll down, go to my video description to get the Caucasian Handsome Man headshot pack 01. Download it as a zip file, a zip folder. And once you finish download it already and extract it to the folder, you will get all of these high quality headshot pictures. To use it, you need to use your Character Creator 4, install the headshot plugin. Once you already have the headshot plugin, then you have to select auto. Select the auto and open your folder. Just for example, if I want to make this picture to become 3D avatar, just drag it into the photo here and then choose mail, clean soft, and click generate. Then the headshot plugin is going to generate a 3D avatar based on the headshot picture. At this moment, what you're going to do is just wait for a while until it finishes generating the 3D model. So it depends on your computer speed. If you have a very powerful computer, then this AI plugin can process everything very fast and generate a 3D mesh very fast. Once you see this Kelvins, then actually it is ready soon, just a few seconds to 1 minute. It will become a 3D models based on the headshot picture just now. It is going to generate the face 3D models together with the body. Just wait for a while. Now it is updating the results. It's almost done. Okay, now done already. You can see it auto generate a 3D avatar. With this face, maybe it's getting a little bit fat. You can just go to the morph and scroll down, go to find the headshots. Under the face, if you already have the headshot plugin, you should be able to see all of this morph. And this is the face width, not this. The head lower width. Alright, now it looks alike. Once you've done already, then you may just give this avatar a shirt. First, you may just go to the motion here under the animations, go to the motions, go to the pose, choose the calibrations. So here, the animation, under the pose, choose the calibrations, drag a T-pose. Then just go and apply some cloth here. And later you can export it as FBX file. Give him a pants as well. And then give him some shoes, let's say green shoes. If you feel satisfied already, you may just save it as a new project file. Right. As demo, I'm going to save this project file on my desktop before I export the FBX. I save. Then it will become a CC project. And now I can export the FBX. I can export the OBZ as well, but usually just export the FBX, the cloth character. The target 2 preset, it depends on what software that you are going to import. let's say if now I want to use the Autodesk Maya, then I may just choose the Maya. If I want to use the Unreal Engine, import into Unreal Engine, then I choose Unreal Engines. And then the FBX options, I'm going to export the mesh, embed the texture, and click export. Click OK. Now as demo, I'll export it on my desktop, and the file name, I will just put it as Caucasian Male 01. Save it. Now it is exporting as FBX file so that you can use it in any other 3D modeling, 3D animation, or 3D game developing software, like the Unreal Engines, like the Autodesk Maya, like the Blender of this. Now you can see FBX file already successfully exported. And for today's tutorial, you already know how to use all of this. The headshot 3D images to generate the 3D avatar and export as FBX by using the Character Creator 4. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial and sharing, if you feel all this tutorial and sharing are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing. See you!